Hey, good morning, everybody. Cmac, Blackstone Boys. Hey, our friends at Arteflame sent me something yesterday. What's that? More to come. Hey everybody, what's going on? Cmac here from the Blackstone Boys. So, beautiful semi-early morning here in New England, and I got a box in the mail yesterday, or actually from Brown Santa, from UPS. This box right here, big old box from my friends at Arteflame. So I'm gonna pop it open. Let's see what we got. Okay. That here's what we got. So this is Arteflame's new side table for the Arteflame grills. This is one section. It can be up to 4 interlocking sections, but this is going to be really cool. This is something that is kind of missing on the grill unless you have a table next door. So we're going to see if I can install this by myself. No one else is home today. I want to get it on and try it out. So let's go down to the grill and see if we can get this thing done. Okay, so speaking of accessories, you can see I've got the vinyl cover on. Arteflame is tough enough so you can leave this sucker out in all kinds of weather, but it is kind of nice if you're not going to be cooking for a few days to be able to put that vinyl cover on. As you can see, we're under some trees, and so it just helps keep it a little cleaner. Stuff out of the inside. Let's take that off and we'll work on getting this side shelf on. All right, come on. Okay, it's on. So what you probably saw from the installation procedure, I did need to get my neighbor Tom to give me a hand. I was hoping I could kind of lift it with the lifter from one side, but when you try to do that with the top, the fire bowl kind of shifts. So it's really a two-person job, which is fine. And then once you get it up, very easy to slip right in there. The little hooks lock down, and as you can see, we've got now a side shelf. Yeah, sturdy. You know, it's really made to be able to put some tongs on there and get a little prep. Again, they are interlocking, so you could put 2 more, 3 more, have it all the way around if you wanted. But I think that's going to be really handy. So we're going to come back a little bit later. As you can see, I'm still doing some seasoning. Got some patches, but that's okay. It's just like cast iron or Blackstone. The more you cook on it, the more seasoned it gets. But this thing's performing like a champ. So we'll do a little cook on it later. Utilize the little side table. Come on back with us in a few. Thanks. Hey guys, so welcome back. So it is a little after 1. Decided that I'm going to cook up a little late lunch. So I have some leftovers for dinner tonight because we're supposed to get some thunderstorms. So I've got the Arteflame fired up. We'll hit that in a second. For today, got this beautiful fresh bluefin, big chunk of bluefin tuna. Some Shishito peppers. Just gonna hit those with some olive oil and some Himalayan pink salt, and we'll blister those on the Arteflame. And I think I'm gonna, with the tuna, gonna make some tacos or some wraps. Let's check out what we got going on, Mr. Arteflame. So the other cool thing about this is, you might see, I've got all the kind of coals pushed to one side, so I'm not doing a big cook. and so it doesn't make sense to heat up the whole thing or to use a ton of wood. So just got it pretty much this area right here will cook in, and as you can see, got the side shelf on. You got a little silicone utensil rest just to kind of keep it cleaner. You gotta have the beer on there too, so it got a little warm, but not overly hot. It's a little hotter close to where the heat source is, obviously, but not bad at all. But it does give a little extra room to rest some tools. Again, to have your beer there, which is very important. You can't cook without a beer. So I think, yeah, we're almost ready. We're gonna sear that big chunk of tuna up, blister those peppers, and have a little midday snack. All right, let me get the food on, and we'll be right back. All right, let's get a little oil down. Oh yeah, we got some good heat, as you can see. That'll help sear that ahi nicely, blister those peppers. And helps continue to season the Arteflame. The more you cook on it, better it gets. Whoops. Come on. Hear that sizzle? Now the trick with these is, how do we get them on here without losing too many of them? Okay, where's one soldier dead? Alright, not bad, not bad. We only lost one. I don't have the grill on right now, that would have helped, but it's all good. So I'm gonna sear this guy. Probably a little bit more cooked because it's so thick. Leave it on a little bit longer than I normally would. Some of that salt on the peppers. So if you guys haven't had Shishito peppers, they're fantastic. I think they're kind of known as the Russian roulette of peppers because most of them are very mild, but like 1 out of 10 will sneak up on you with a lot of heat. Yeah, so that's what you want to do. You don't want to overcook these guys. You want them nice and blistered. And they are fantastic. So you get that nice char, blistered skin. So we got good heat even coming around this side. So you can kind of tell where it's a little cooler. Just because again, we've just got the wood pretty much on that one side. So let's take a look here. All right, we got a nice crust. Because this guy's so thick, I'm actually going to probably do all sides. All right, so listen, back to the side shelf. It's already coming in handy. Not only do I have my oil, some tongs, and some spatulas there, but I've got my GoPro filming on it. I probably would not do that if I was heating all the way around, because I can already feel some heat on the side table. But I'll tell you what, that's money. That comes in real handy. So Arteflame owners, if you don't have one, again, you can fit on my 40-inch, you can fit 4 all the way around the interlock. I got 1 on right now, might have to get a second one. Only thing that you also got to remember is I've got a vinyl cover for this. So obviously the vinyl cover will not fit on when you've got the side shelf or side shelves on. which is okay. Doesn't need to be covered, but again, it's handy if yours is like where mine is, under trees. Peppers are looking tasty. So again, I'll get those all blistered. Then I will probably hit them with a little bit more salt. When you hit these with salt, as they're nice and hot coming off the grill, it just soaks up all that salty Himalayan salt goodness. I know you know what I'm talking about. All right, let's flip this guy on its side. Move it over here. And with the Arteflame, just like any flat top, scrape that stuff. Cool thing about the Arteflame is you scrape it right in the fire pit. All good. No muss, no fuss. I'm pretty impressed that I have only lost one Shishito to the fire gods. Oh yeah. Those guys. Those are going to be tasty. Flip this ahi again. So again, one of the coolest things about the Arteflame, besides the look of it and the way it cooks, is it's kind of built as a communal cooker. So you can have 4 or 5 people standing around all cooking their steaks however they want it. We're still trying to be careful here in the middle of the pandemic, but pretty soon we'll be able to get some fill in with some more people around, and that'll be really fun. Alright, that's good. On the tuna, I've got a little tequila lime rub on it and some sesame seeds, so pretty simple. And when this is done, I'll go and cut it up. We'll throw it in some wraps and it'll be good to go. All right, here's the other great thing about the Arteflame. So get one of these Shishitos. Just throw your stem right in it. So good. Okay, let's get this big old block of loveliness off of there, and we'll see you back inside as I prep this and get some lunch going. So hang out with us, we'll be right back. Okay, so the good news is it hasn't started raining. Bad news is it's gotten awfully humid. So excuse the sweatiness, but we're finished. We got our blistered and salted Shishito peppers. We've got a beautiful seared ahi taco, wrap, burrito, whatever you want to call it. It's in a tortilla. So I got some chopped up some lettuce, some green onions, some tomatoes, and hit it with a little bit of that guacamole salsa, which is awesome, and some sriracha mayo. So we got a lot of flavors going on here. Now let me see how, let's wrap it up from this end. Got some lime on there too. Let's taste this guy. Super fresh bluefin tuna, the Shishito peppers. I've had about 10 of them. I haven't got hit with that hot one yet, but they're just so good. Blistered, salty, a little sweet, So I'm gonna finish this up before the skies unleash on me. Thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed, hit the bell, hit the whatever thing you gotta hit. Thanks to Arteflame for the side shelf. It's a winner. Yeah, another good cook. Have a great day. Thanks for joining.